Warning: the following program may contain language and other elements that are not suitable for some audiences. Viewer discretion is advised. You've been fucking warned.
Hey guys, Johnny Farrow here, and welcome to another episode of Musician Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make Ragin Cajun Angels, which are incredible Cajun seasoned shrimp wrapped in bacon. Very simple recipe. There's only 3 ingredients. We have jumbo shrimp. These are, I believe, 13 to 15 jumbo shrimp. Raw, of course. Bacon, center cut bacon, uncured. You know, you can use whatever bacon you want, just don't do thick sliced. And then also my Musician Kitchen Ragin Cajun seasoning. And I did actually do a video a little bit ago on how to make that. So I'll put the link for that video in the description below. Be sure to check that out if you're not sure how to make my Cajun seasoning. All right, so first thing we're going to do, guys, you got your shrimp here. The ones I got came tail and shell still on, so we're going to peel those real quick. And to peel a shrimp, very simply, you know, they're usually pretty easy these days. You just take them, peel back the body armor here, and then just kind of pinch the tail and just pull, and bam, they just come right off. So I'm going to go ahead and just get those all done there. So now what we got to do is we got to get these puppies seasoned up. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to lay these out on my cutting board. Just kind of line them all up. And I got close to 1.5 pounds of shrimp here. So I actually have, I think I have like 21 shrimp if I'm not mistaken. Not to be mistaken with 21 pilots. It's not the same thing. Alright, and now what we want to do is we want to give these a good sprinkle on both sides of our Ragin Cajun seasoning. And we're going to go wet hand, dry hand is kind of the way we do this as per usual, which means that I'm going to use my right hand for sprinkling the seasoning, and it's going to stay dry. I'm not going to touch the shrimp with it. My left hand will be my shrimp hand, and we're just doing some little, you know, little bit of Cajun snow, so to speak, over our shrimpies. I'm going to use my wet hand and flip these guys over. And go ahead and more Cajun snow on our shrimpies. Woohoo! So freaking good. This seasoning smells so awesome. One of my favorites. Alright. Now we got that. I'm just going to kind of pile these over to the side here. And then take some bacon. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the bacon strips and cut them in half, which is plenty big enough to wrap around these guys. So I have 21 shrimp, so I'm actually going to need, well, basically 11 pieces of bacon. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I actually have 12. Fuck it, I'll just cut them all in half. Because why the hell not? So there we go. And then what you do is you take toothpicks, you take your shrimp and your bacon, wrap it around the center of the shrimp. Jam a toothpick through there just to hold the bacon in place, and that's it. Onto the baking sheet. I got a parchment paper lined baking sheet here, and I'm going to go ahead and get the rest of my shrimps done up here. So there we go, guys. These are all lined up, ready to go. I'm going to pop them into an oven. Oven's been preheating at 400 degrees. I'm going to put them in for 20 to 25 minutes, and they're going to come out just perfect. Stay tuned for that. So, all right, guys, we're back. And would you just look at these motherfucking Cajun Angels? Oh, my God. Cooked perfect. The shrimp is nice and orange. The bacon nice and crispy. Oh, my God, get in my mouth. So what we're going to do here is plate these up. And the way I'm going to set these up, I got this cool bowl that my daughter painted. I'm just going to pop these bad boys in there. Alright. And then, I had some leftover bacon, so I just chopped it up. Fried it first. We're not putting raw bacon on here, but just sprinkle a little bit of bacon fairy dust on there. So freaking good. It just really does, you know, bacon makes everything better. And then what I did is I took some blue cheese and some yellow mustard and just mixed in some of my Ragin Cajun seasoning. And then popped a little mini piece of bacon in there for a little garnish. And voila, you have got a meal, a Super Bowl snack, whatever, it's what you need it to be. It's so delicious, so good. So guys, let me know in the comments below how you like this recipe. Check the description below for the written directions on this recipe in case you'd like those. Let me know if you try this recipe, and if you do, how you like it. Is it delicious? Do you have ideas on how to make it even better? Again, if you want to make your own Ragin Cajun seasoning, in the description is the link to that video. And until next time, guys, I'm Johnny Farrow. I'll see you later. Bon appetit. Mwah.